Today I'm going to show you how to integrate local files into Microsoft Copilot. So to integrate local files onto Microsoft Copilot is simple. Now, there's something that you need to first understand. We are using the Microsoft Copilot app. This is the chatbot app and not the Microsoft 365 app. It's quite confusing because they've now renamed Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office to Microsoft 365 Copilot. So we are using, to be certain, we are using Copilot. So go and download it from the Microsoft Store. Once you're there, you will now have this interface. And immediately, whatever you have on your computer, your local files, you can now have access to. Let's key in the command. There is a file in downloads called MailChimp Contact Import. Open it for me. The first thing you'll do is be prompted to give permission. So you can say allow once, which means every single time you do this, it will ask you for permission, or you can simply say always allow. Now, if you're having the issue where it cannot locate the file, you can simply go down to the plus icon and upload it manually. So now that your file is now being uploaded, go ahead and ask Copilot what you want to do with it. I've gone ahead and asked for all of the names to be listed. Here you can see all of the names have been listed. Now, this is a very simple example. However, if you're doing this on a large scale, this is a nice way to import or integrate all of the data that is stored on your local computer right here in Copilot.